And now for something completely different.
I'm Alan,
And I'm Kaylee.
and we are exploring Alapa and beyond, and today we're doing something a wee bit different. Today, we're driving trains. Aye, so today you find us in Fife.
We're at the Fife Heritage Railway in Leven.
Yep, and today they're doing a driver experience walk-in day.
For a very reasonable price. You
Yeah.
can pop in and have a go at driving one of their lovely diesel engines.
Yeah, so let's go find out what it's like to drive a train.
Give a wee bit of horse, that's the horn. Push this up to switch it, so just put it in there. Yeah, the contact just play it through. That's alright, there you go, that's you. No. What's that? And then give a wee bit more throttle. This one. Now side back.
awesome. What did you think?
Oh, that was brilliant. Yeah, yeah.
Definitely worth popping down. I think this is the first time they've done this.
Yep.
So it's kind of like a test for them, and they've said it's a lot busier than they were expecting, and they're probably going to be running it again. So if you're in the area or going to be on holiday in the area, I would strongly recommend keeping an eye on their social media, their Facebook, and popping along and giving it a go.
Yep. The volunteers here are absolutely wonderful, and yeah, it's been actually
It's been a really good experience.
So I think time for a cup of tea.
Yeah, they've got a tea room as well, which fantastic. Let's go get a drink
And we'll see you next time
on Exploring Alba.
and beyond.
Sure.
Oh, aye. And the like, subscribe, click
All
the
of that
thing,
stuff, yeah.
aye.